Do you want to learn how to solve captchas faster, and make your online experience easier? Then this is the video for you. In this professional guide, I'll show you the tips and tricks to solve captchas faster and more efficiently. First, you need to make sure that you're using the right type of captcha. Generally, there are two types of captchas: text-based, image-based. Depending on the site you are using, the type of captcha will vary. Once you've identified the type of captcha, you'll need to have the right tools. For text-based captchas and image-based captchas, you'll need a good internet connection and the auto captcha solver. Another important factor in solving captchas faster is to consider that captcha solver will bypass the captcha at different times. But by choosing the appropriate solver, such as the captcha A, you will bypass the captcha in only 10 to 30 seconds. Different captchas have different designs and layouts, so it's important. By following these tips, you'll be able to solve captchas faster and make your online experience much easier.